guys, thanks a lot for watching, and if you like that kind of thing with early 2000s vibes and tuner cars and culture from the early 2000s, Need for Speed Underground and sort of Fast and Furious, make sure to check out River City Congress. It's a project started by my buddy James, who's just making some absolutely beautiful content with vehicles from that era. You can check out his socials in the pinned comment in the description below. Also, check out my Patreon. They got to see this video early. They also get to see some behind the scenes stuff and a director's commentary version of this where I kind of just talk about the process and whatnot. And of course, thanks to all of you for watching. This isn't the end with the Maxima. This is just, I've got it to a point now, and I really wanted to show off what I got accomplished. Probably not a lot in the grand scheme of things, but I'm pretty happy with it. This sort of fulfills a dream of mine since the early 2000s, seeing all the cars with their underglow and their big wheels and lowered and all that cool stuff. I was absolutely enamored with the early Fast and Furious movies, so it's pretty sweet to have built something along those lines. And of course, I'm already collecting parts for the next series of things to happen to that car, so stay subscribed for that. Also got a lot of stuff coming with the Ford Ranger, working on some stuff with the Buick, always stuff with the BMW. Always more to do there. And of course, the upcoming Patreon specials, which are higher fidelity, higher production value videos like this that are less centered on building a car and more doing stuff with the cars that I've built. So stay tuned. I'm hoping to have one of those out by the end of this month. And again, supported by Patreon, and they get to see all the behind the scenes, sneak previews, Q&As, all that sort of thing. Also, last plug, I promise, check out my Twitch, twitch.tv/100%Jake. I've streamed Destiny a few times, and I'm going to be streaming Need for Speed Underground as well as more car video games. I recently bought a racing simulator. There'll be a video on sort of building the racing simulator coming up soon, and then I'll be streaming games, and you know, it's a good place to ask questions and chat and hang out and that sort of thing. My goal is to hit partner on Twitch by the end of the year so I can tell my dad that I have made money by playing video games. And that might have been letting my mental health bleed through to YouTube a little bit too much. Thanks for watching.